Al pastor burrito? Black bean or refried? Would you like cheese on there? Mild, medium, or hot? And what else would you like on it? Everything except tomato. Sour cream guacamole is okay? Alright, you're all set, thank you. Hello, what can I get for you? Burrito, black beans. You got it. And then what would you like on there?
Salsa, everything, no purple onions.
No onions, medium. Yes, black bean or refried? Everything on there? Mild, medium, or hot? Okay. Hello. One steak, one chicken. Would you like any salsa on there? I got mild, medium, or hot. Medium. Cilantro and onions, okay? You got it. It'll be right out.
Do you guys sell your corn here?
We don't. No, I'm sorry. We tried in the past, but we just can't keep up. Yeah, yeah.